In this video, we are going to look on how to add funds in Coindcx. First, open up your Coindcx account, click on your profile, and before you add funds, make sure you complete the verification process by adding the bank details, etc. Once you have a verified account, click on Deposit INR to the wallet. Choose the amount which you want to transfer. You can transfer a minimum of ₹100 to a maximum of ₹5 lakhs in a single transaction. Once you put the desired amount you want to transfer, click on Continue to pay. Click on Continue. Then click on Got it. And here you can see the bank details of the beneficiary to whom you have to transfer money. So open up your bank's mobile app, add all these details and complete your transaction. Once you make the payment, click on I have paid. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to complete the transaction, and then you will have successfully added funds to your Coindcx account. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.